One of the largest relationship studies ever done found that somebody's personality has little impact on the success of a relationship. That's wild. So their hobbies and their interests and their overall character doesn't really matter that much, even if they're extroverted and you're not. And what's also interesting is this creates a lot of doubt over dating algorithms like eHarmony. They claim they are capable of matching people together. But as Samantha Joel says,
they haven't actually let any scientists see these algorithms.
So this raises the big question. What does determine relationship success? Well, the study answered this as well. Now, there are still some smaller components, like how good things are in the bedroom or the amount of conflict there is. But the most reliable predictor is your belief that they're committed to the relationship. So whether they seem happy, invested, and appreciative of you. What's interesting though is it's actually about the perception of it. So it's easy to assume if you just seem more content yourself, it'll likely make them happier about the relationship and then loop back to you. But overall, the lead researchers on this, Samantha Joel and Paul Eastwick, said if there's one takeaway from this study, it's this. It is not who you're with, but the dynamic you have with them. So opposites may or may not attract. What matters is you enjoy being around them, which can happen with people you wouldn't expect. And honestly, this makes sense too. Like I care more about being someone who's supportive, kind, and committed than someone who just happens to have the exact traits and mutual interests as me. Though those are still nice too. And so I think whether you're using dating apps or not, to prioritize going on more dates, whether they're just brief ones like for coffee. If you're too selective with just choosing someone who's right on paper, you'll likely miss someone with real potential.